Compaction rollers are made to be driven. And this is done via a massive steering column that creates two major issues. First, accessibility. When climbing, the driver must maneuver between the steering column and the handrails while searching invisible steps. This sequence, carried out dozens of times per day, makes the access unsafe and exhausting. Second, the driving position. One hand is actuating the steering wheel, the other is managing the control lever while the operator is focusing on the side of the drum. This compromised driving position causes a postural fatigue and physical disorders. By removing the steering column and integrating the driving into the right-hand user interface, Mecalac has completely changed the way to work. The access is now easier and safer than ever. The whole architecture and design of the machine has been reinvented in order to challenge the visibility. And finally, the revolutionary user-centered driving interface allows reaching a new level of working ergonomics. With the new TV1200, Mecalac has placed the driver in the heart of the design process, setting new standards of design and ergonomics on modern construction equipment.